Hello, I'm Emily. Mooncake Festival is around the corner. Everyone has started making the traditional mooncake and I want to make it a bit different. Let's make the snowy skin ice cream mooncake this year. 冰皮冰淇淋月饼，希望你们喜欢。This is an easy 3 ingredients ice cream. First, we need the thickening cream, the matcha powder for matcha ice cream, the cocoa powder for the chocolate ice cream, and finally the sweetened condensed milk. To make the snowy skin, we need the oil, the sugar, the full cream milk, the glutinous rice flour, and finally the wheat starch. When the mixture is ready, we need to steam with a bamboo steamer to avoid the condensation drip to the mixture and cover the cling wrap if you don't have one. Then steam for 25 minutes. Now you can see a layer of oil on the top. That's fine. Divide the dough into cubes so that it cools down quicker. Our ice cream is now ready. The matcha and the chocolate ice cream. Look at the creamy texture without any ice crystals. Toast some glutinous flour for dusting purpose. This is how it looks like before and after toasting, which turns a little bit brown. When the dough cools down, start kneading the dough. You need a pair of gloves because the dough is quite sticky and oily. You may need a little bit patience in this step. It will then slowly form a very smooth dough. This is the mold that we need to do the mooncake. You can buy these from eBay or Amazon or AliExpress. When the ice cream is set, remove from the freezer and it's time to enjoy! I was really surprised the first time I made it. It is a perfect match between the icy cold ice cream and also the soft chewy skin, and I received lots of compliments on how amazing they are when I share with my friend. In this special occasion, family and friends gather together, which is also a family reunion. We play lantern, we eat mooncake, and we share the love on this beautiful night. 中秋月圆阖家欢，夫妻恩爱把心连，家庭和睦人间暖，快乐幸福金不换。希望大家都有一个美好的中秋夜晚。